to diagnose the system, and they put a new board in and it still didn't work, and the guy never came back. But as you guys see in the picture, there's only 2 wires to this thermostat, and it looks like she has a power extender here. But I want to look at the wires because the thermostat is saying that it doesn't have power. I want to look at that power extender. Let me see some real quick. Man, look at this. R&W. It's hooked up to R&W. And look at this, CRW. The C is not hooked up from the extender to C on the board. It's hooked up to R. You guys see that here? That C terminal from the extender